What is going on, guys? It's me, Beaver back at it again with brand new Round Rouser video with Pronghorn, and we finally established the name Steven the llama. I like it was sound pretty cool for the llama. So yeah, well no. So yeah, right now we're just apparently they need exercise. No, okay, it's just yeah. I'm just giving a little walk, so yeah, and Prime is riding it. But yeah, anyways, if you guys don't, well, I don't think I told you, but I actually left my old house. So, and what do you? Okay, but I actually left my old house, and now I moved. Yeah, Pronger made a new house. So wait. Are you still riding it, Pronger? Were you suffocating? Okay, let's just experiment. Oh, no. But yeah, also, apparently this has more. Primer found a new llama, and this apparently has more. Okay, I'm gonna quickly unleash it and put it back in its little fence. And yeah, basically has more storage than it usually does. It has like 9 spaces of storage. So, yeah. It has no carpet. Now it does. No problem. I honestly think the black one looks really cool. Okay, so yeah. Primer basically literally took everything that it had from my old house. Transferred everything in here. So yeah, this is a new house that Primer made. And basically tomorrow gonna be like making a stream. I'm just gonna be on this survival series, you know, like actually improving this house, because I like the house. It's just that I feel like I can actually improve it a bit more. Am I right, Pronghorn? Am I right, Pronghorn? Am I right? Yeah, it definitely it's like it's a nice house, but definitely needs improving. Wow. Okay. So yeah, wait, hold up. But first, I need to actually leave my stuff that I have in here. So I'm put it in here. I'm put all the good stuff, like the blocks. I'll take this bucket and on the armor, the gapple, everything that's like really unnecessary, like that I really basically don't even need. You can take them if you want, Pronghorn, but I'm basically not gonna use them. I'm gonna use a couple, stacks, just in case. Actually, I'm gonna bring the shovels in case we have to find some like glass or something like that. And also, I'm gonna bring a pickaxe just in case. So yeah, I think I'm ready. Also, I do have a map, so I think that also might be useful. And I think I need to close this up. Where? Okay, I accidentally put it in here. So yeah. Oh come on! Oh my gosh! How is that? I don't know how that's possible. But okay. Oh no! I cannot. Let me. Okay, there you go. All right. So I brought some food with me. I'm gonna bring some food just in case. Yeah. Up. Oh, Prongler, do you know what I should have done? Actually, you know what? It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter now. But yeah, okay, I'm just, alright, bye, Prongler. I don't even know where I'm going. Bye. Oh, wait. Where are you? Oh, are you trying to, okay. Oh no, I can't get on. I'm stuck on it. I'm stuck swimming. No. Oh, you're lagging. You're lagging bad, Pronghorn. Like you're lagging so bad. All right. Oh my God. What's going on with my head? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. So I'm trying to make it look natural. Okay. Okay, this is not gonna work. Okay, oh, whoa, okay. Wait, hold up. Bro, I thought I just saw something. Bro, I'm pretty sure I just saw something. Yeah, okay, I'm staying in first person. Okay, I'm just gonna be making sure just in case I actually see something. Yo, snow! Oh! Hey, we found snow! Yo, it's an Enderman! Yo, Prongard. Oh no, I need to get out. I promise. I swear I saw Enderman. Enderman. Prongard! Help! Help! You didn't help me, Prongard. You didn't help me. I literally said help. Oh. So could you pick up my stuff and then come back here to pick me up, because I don't want to be swimming and literally take 4 days. Yeah, and plus I had some good stuff. So yeah, no, not really. I just have to. Alright, I guess I'm going swimming. This is literally gonna take a while. Like a very long while. Wait, what did it get you? What did the Enderman drop, Prongard? What the Enderman drop? What did the Enderman exactly drop, Prongard? Or it dropped nothing? Or did it drop nothing, Prongard, or what? Because I don't know. Oh my gosh, I have to wait. No, it's so hard. But okay. For a second, I thought that looked like an ocean monument, but it's not. Okay, I do see some squids, but we already have squids there, so yeah. I see you, Bragard. Hi, Bragard. Yeah. Do you have my stuff? Okay, there you go. All right, let's go back. Let's go back to the snowy biome. Yeah, you're typing something. Better. I have something cool. Wait, you have an ender pearl? You have an ender pearl, Prongard? Or what? I think you might. Oh, actually don't even know what this is. Okay. Could you hurry up, Prongard? Yeah. All right. All right. This might take a while. All right. So okay. Oh, what is it? What is this? What is this? Banner. What exactly is this banner? Prongard. What do you mean? What Prongard flag? I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. It doesn't say what Prongard flag. Okay, I'll place it black. Okay. I'll place it right here. Alright, there. There, wait. How's the water, Prongard? How's the water? Even though technically it doesn't have temperatures, but how's the water, Prongard? Oh, you're gonna place something in the chest. What's gonna be? Oh, let's go! Ender pearl, yes, let's go. Okay, I'm just gonna pick up all my stuff that I had. Yo, we have a flipping ender pearl. Let's go. Let's flip and go. All right, so. Oh yes, I definitely need my map back, or the map back. Oh yeah, and I need my iron sword. I'm gonna take a bucket of water just in case. I'm gonna just take it. Just in case. You never know what you need it. When I need it. So, yeah. Oh, wow, okay. It's, wait, what? Okay. Nice. Wait, are you gonna go ice skating here, Prongard? Huh? This where you're gonna go ice skating? Huh? Is this really where you're gonna go? Okay. Because I don't think it's like basically to go ice skating, you need to have the whole of ice. I mean, lake. Actually, no. This is actually a good spot, but it's just one block. I can just break this. Yep. Yeah. Oh no 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 no. No 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 no. There's a spider. I'm going away from the spider. And sugarcane. Fancy. Now, there's some chickens over there. There you go. Wait. Wait, hold up. Oh, blood. Oh, no. It's flowing. I don't need it flowing. Wait, where are you from? Okay, I see you now. Oh, no, I don't want to get stuck in the snow. Oh, wait, there's a cave. Oh, good thing I brought my pickaxe. Oh, never mind. It is not a cave. It's a semi-cave. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. Give the lag a break. Pronghorn? I don't know why, but I have the lag. I have lag. I don't want lag. I really don't want lag. Okay, I really don't want lag. Okay, let's go down. Up, I wish I brought some torches. Up, and it's even dead end. You came down here. Yeah, I mean, you tried, Pronghorn. Oh no, it's getting nighttime. Oh no. Oh wait, we got swords, and I got a water bucket. I think we should be good. Oh yeah, we gotta make a little house. Yeah, true, Pronghorn. Yo, I see a ravine! I see a ravine, Pronghorn! I see a ravine! A ravine! I found a ravine! Come on, Pronghorn! I found a ravine! Come on, quickly, come on over, get over here! And stand exactly right over here, alright? Yeah, how do you like the ravine, Pronghorn? It's I'm joking. It's not really a ravine, but it's not a ravine, Pronghorn. But I found a better place where you can go skating, which apparently you say you want to. But oh yeah, yeah, it's just straight up where the zombies are. Go where the zombies, and that's where a good place is. Look, you see it? Yeah, you can go there. All right, and die, zombie! Oh no, this is a bad mistake. Oh wait. Die! Ah, no, die. Die! Yes. Oh, you're going mining. Oh, okay. Alright, ooh, I need to quickly eat up. Alright, what am I can just do from here? Alright. Beaver, put beds here. I don't have any beds. What are you talking about? I don't have any beds. I don't. Does this look like anything? I have any beds? I don't have any. Yeah, I didn't bring beds because I thought we'll go back. So we're stranded here. Wait, can you just get in the hole? Can you get into the little pit? Oh no, it's dark. Oh, can you place the torch, Pronghorn? It's super dark. Okay, there you go. Yeah, see? Oh no, Pronghorn, what are you doing? I got the gravel. I knew at some point. I knew we'll probably fight against like gravel. So it's a good thing I brought my shovel, like sand or gravel, dirt. I knew I needed my shovel for something. Good thing I did. Am I right, Pronghorn? Right, Pronghorn? That a good thing I brought my shovel? Huh? You have two crafting tables, Pronghorn. Did you accidentally craft one while crafting? Oh wow. Okay. I also do have a pickaxe, but I do have two shovels. So yeah. If you need any gravel removed, Pronghorn, I got some. So yeah. Are you gonna dig down to bedrock, Pronghorn? Is that what you're just gonna do? Because I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, just dig straight down, Pronghorn. Just dig straight down. That's the #1 rule of Minecraft to do. No, not really, but for real, just. Oh, you found iron. Oh, yay, lit. All right, so let's actually go mining. And yeah. Can I have some light over here, Pronghorn? This is really. Oh no. Oh no, I'm stuck. Okay. Okay, but I might, like, off camera, might just dig down there. But anyways, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video. And see you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Bye!